Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to thank all of you for being here today. My name is Takuma Watanabe, an engineer at NTT Corporation, one of the Japanese cloud service provider. Today, I'd like to introduce you an implementation to realize virtual machine high availability, VMHA, on OpenStack. The implementation enables to restore crashed VMs automatically in order to achieve VMHA. Why automation of the crashed VM restoration is needed? Because we can enjoy these three benefits: minimization of VM downtime, reduction in operational cost, quick notification of VM failover to operators and users. They will improve the quality of our cloud service dramatically. First, I'd like to begin by outlining current state of VMHA. 1. We are using KVM as hypervisor of compute node, and it's very popular environment. However, KVM doesn't support hypervisor level VMHA. So we need to solve the problem with some other modules or process and OpenStack. 2. As you might know, VMHA is being discussed on OpenStack community. As a result of the discussion, Nova Evacuate API is already available to evacuate VM when a compute node has been crashed. However, there are no specific implementation to detect VM faults. If the faults were undetectable, OpenStack operators cannot all awake to the timing when the API should be performed. If the faults are detectable, some methods of automatic restoration will be considered. Then, I have a good news. We have implemented the VM faults detection. It works fine for the automatic VM restoration. Details of our method will be explained in the following slides. There are two cases in VM faults. Case 1 is a case that single VM fault has occurred. How can we detect a single VM fault? Unfortunately, Nova cannot distinguish normal guest OS shutdown from abnormal VM termination. The status of Nova is same error. So we refer to Libuirt event to detect VM faults. And Libuirt raises the following events when VM has been down. The events show whether it is the fault requiring restoration. Operator should restore the VM when via domain event stopped failed has been raised from Libuirt. We have adopted this restoration procedure. The new process to watch Libuirt events and to send notice has been introduced on compute nodes. Recreate means using Nova Delete API and Boot API. The automatic VM restoration is realizable in the combination of the Libuirt monitoring processes and an external monitoring system. Case 2 is the case a compute node fault has occurred. Since a compute node has been down, all VMs has been down too. When the fault occurred, the operator cannot yet be sure how long it will take to repair the node. Therefore, the VMs should be evacuated as soon as possible. We can detect the fault with Pacemaker and Heartbeat. Pacemaker can provide HA clustering to nodes and enables the fault detection with each other. We have adopted this restoration procedure. This is similar to case 1.1, but using evacuate API instead of recreate. Here is a summary of my presentation. This method will realize VM HA, no additional settings on a user's VM, even if hypervisor doesn't support VM HA. I hope my tech talk is helpful to you. Thank you all for kind attention.